a great SUV that has heated seats, remote start, and so much more, check out this 2015 Ford. Oh my gosh, okay, starting over. I was going to say Ford Edge, and then I was like, no, that's not what this is. Okay. Hey everyone, if you're looking for a great SUV that has heated seats, remote start, and more, check out this 2015 Ford Explorer. I'm Alana here at Woody's Automotive Group in Chillicothe, Missouri, the highest rated dealership in Middle America and Dealer Rater's Dealer of the Year. You can find out why by going to over10,000reviews.com. So, it comes in this black exterior color, and you also have tons of chrome and just accents in this grille with your halogen headlamps up front and fog lamps below. These have 18-inch painted aluminum wheels, and it has a 3.5-liter V6 engine. Looking at your side mirrors, they are black with that indicator light going down the side, and they are powered and heated with that blind spot mirror in the corner so you can easily see into your blind spot. You also have keyless entry with a number pad over on your driver's side. All right, so looking in the front seats, we have these black leather seats. They are heated and super comfortable. Both sides are power adjustable. And then coming over to your leather-wrapped steering wheel, you got your cluster controls, your cruise control settings, and your media controls all there on the front with your media center. This does have what are you doing?
What did I do? What are you talking? I'm losing my mind. I was thinking about something else.
Sorry, I psyched you out about the video. Okay. Do you want to start at the seats or do you want to start at the steering wheel?
Go on to the steering wheel.
Okay. Then looking over at your leather-wrapped steering wheel, you have all of your cruise control settings, your cluster controls, and your media controls right there on the front. And then over to your media center, this is brought to you by Microsoft Sync. You have all of your settings easily available to you. You can connect your phone using Bluetooth and make or receive phone calls right there. And this does have all of your radio stuff. You can subscribe to Sirius XM radio if you choose to. And you have your climate controls. They are dual, so you can have the exact settings you want on either side with your heated buttons there as well. And you can subscribe to more things using Microsoft Sync. This does have a backup camera, so you can see behind you really clearly, and you can even zoom in a little bit so you can have that view right there as well. CD insert below with all of your buttons for your climate controls, your radio controls, just really nicely laid out. And then down below you have a media hub with a 12-volt, 2 USB ports, an aux port, and an SD card reader. So tons of stuff right there. 2 cup holders in the middle, and then you have your select terrain with your hill descent right there. And then looking into the center console, tons of space down below with another 12-volt. So let's go look at that back seat. So here we are in the middle row. You have a bench seat down here, so you have room for 3 passengers. And then looking right here, you do have your climate controls, a 12-volt, and your cup holders that can pop out right there. And then these can also fold down to give you easy access to the 3rd row. So you can have it just fold it down like this, or you can fold it all the way up so you can climb back easier. And you can see that there are 2 more seats back there with cup holders on each side and more space back there. Looking up, this has a roof rack for your larger items, a lip spoiler right there, your LED tail lamps, flex fuel, and 4-wheel drive with your XLT badging on the other side. And this has that rear sensing system, so that will alert you if there's an object behind your vehicle. Kind of indicates the distance between you and the bumper. And then looking into this trunk, tons of space back here, and these seats can also fold down. So if you want to have more room, then you can just fold them down and even fold them back to give you that flat surface back here. So, I mean, tons of options with this Ford Explorer. Tons of seating, so you know, you have room for all of your passengers, but then if you don't have that many, then you can just fold the seats down and give you more room for your stuff. So, love this vehicle. If you want to see it or any of our other SUVs, visit us at Wowwoodys.com or come check out our 15-acre megalot where we have over 1,000 vehicles. I'm Alana. Until next time, wow.
I'm from Lincoln, Nebraska.
I'm from Riley, Kansas.
I'm from St. Joseph, Missouri.
Yeah, we live in Lee Summit. It was a 2-hour drive up, and it'll be a 2-hour drive back.
And it was well worth it.
Well, we have bought 2 vehicles in 3 weeks, so I think that says quite a bit right.
What do you think differentiates Woody's from other dealerships?
Price and quality.
I have so many different vehicles in the lot.
No fees process. There's no hidden fees, there's no bait and switch, there's no shell game. This is the price, this is what it is.